Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another video of Final Cut Bits. I'm Colin. In this episode, I want to show you how to easily insert a title into your video. Alright, I'll show you the traditional method and also the shortcut method. Alright, so we're on the timeline and I want to put a title above this clip. Alright, and it can be confusing at first. How do you do that? Well, what you can do, most people do, is go in the title section, under titles there, you look for, a good basic one, a good start. A lot of people use the basic title. Once you get more advanced, you can experiment with different ones. But for this tutorial, I'm going to do the basic. So you just drag that over the top. Alright, then adjust it. And then you play over it. You've got the title displayed on the screen. To change the title, double click, then go on the right hand side here and type in what you want to name it. This is the title. Alright, so that is how you do a title. And if you want to adjust the title, go to the transform, this section, and then just you can scale it if you want. Scale it, position it using these. This goes up and down. Alright, just put it where you want it, and left and right. Alright. Okay, right, I'll show you the shortcut method, and the easiest method, if you can remember the shortcut. I'll delete that I'll delete the title. We'll go back to that. Right, so we'll start again. Right, now the shortcut to do it again, the same. For the base title is Control T. That's all it is. The exact same thing. Control T. You see the word there displayed. And you can just do the exact same again. Double click. Put your whatever name you want to put it. Adjust it to where you want it displayed. And that is your basic title done. Just as simple as that. You can position it wherever you want on your timeline and make it as short or as long as you want. And that, my friend, is just a basic easy title to use if you just want to, if you push for time, you don't want to mess around looking for, going through all the different options, because there's so many options, isn't there, but yeah, just use a basic title. It does the job, and it just gives the information that's needed. You can also like double click and change the font as well. Change the font, just change it here. So yeah, just go for what kind you want. So something that standards a bit more, you can pick that one there. Yeah, go transform again. Just make it bigger, whatever. And yeah, you see it's there. And I believe you can also change color as well. Can you? I'm not sure you can change color. There's probably a way of doing it, but I just don't see it there. So. But for now, like I said, we'll keep it simple, and that is how you do a title. And hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from this. Drop me a sub or a like if you want to. Up to you. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.